Designing with Type, week 4 video announcement. Great job so far on the voice threads. Really good job with pushing the envelope of type as a shape that creates positive and negative space, just not a written word or sentence or a vowel or consonant or a number, but exploring the positive and negative space of that letter form. I hope you've enjoyed some of the announcement samples I've sent out. I'm going to continue to try to share things with you as we navigate through this semester of things that I think are pretty cool. Every Monday-ish, I'll try to send out a friendly reminder, and then Wednesday I will post this video announcement so that we have a kickoff point for the semester week start, which this semester each week starts on a Thursday. So Thursday the 29th will be our next start for week 4. And let's go ahead and navigate into our coursework so we can see what we're doing for week 4. And so we'll go ahead and click on our coursework folder, and I've bundled the folders into weeks 2 at a time just to give you time to complete activities as well as respond to voice threads. The voice threads need to be responded within the week of the folder. The assignments we can carry over in 2-week increments. This week we'll have a voice thread on typography, automotive billboard typography, and kind of see what you think about type as an illustration. You'll also be required to take your Chapter 3 quiz, and your practicum assignment for week 4 is the Autorama Billboard Challenge. It is black and white only, text only. You can use any vector program, any drawing program that you wish. Some students have been very creative with web-based drawing applications like Serif. Some have used Word, some have used PowerPoint, many have used Illustrator. The beauty about type is you can design in any program because it is type only. So as long as there is a type tool, you can use it. So this project is all about the automotive billboard. The design challenge is to create 3 billboards using type only, black and white only, exploring the use of lettering. Adjust the visual hierarchy, scale, proportion, what font you choose, how close the letters are together, how close the lines are together, which we call leading. Any illustration style symbols you use, like cars and roads and tires, must be created only with letters, numbers, and symbols. These are billboards being seen on the highway, so remember about scale. You can only use type. I would sketch out your concepts a little bit on paper before you go ahead and build your 3 designs, and then go ahead and build them. Finalize your design and submit. Remember, you got to create a little logo for Autorama so we can see what you come up with for it. I did give in your description some call to action type of items, so let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. You're creating 3 billboards. Make sure that they're elongated. 10 by 36 is basically the proportion, but as long as they're elongated, which means longer than they are tall, I'm okay with that. You have the options of stating on the billboard no bickering. You can say no dealing with high-pressured salespeople. You can make the statement unlimited selection. You can use no overhead. So one of those call to actions needs to be used in each one of your billboards. Remember, heavy traffic area, type only. I would maybe not a city and a phone number, but definitely a URL. Nowadays we've kind of gotten rid of that, but if you want to include that, like 888 Autorama, or Nashville, Tennessee, www.autoramacars.com or something like that, that would be really great. Remember that you need to create the logo for Autorama, and let's see what you can come up with. Black and white only. And take a look at the voice thread before you do the practicum, because there are some inspirations there to talk about. And I've also embedded a little video for you about automotive billboard advertising. So I think this one will be a lot of fun. So enjoy, and I can't wait to see your solutions. Have a great week. Bye. Bye.